Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Palvi. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So today I am doing this Diwali get ready with me video, which is like mandatory to do when it's festive time. Obviously I will be doing my makeup, but also I have added element to this is that I will be showing you guys pre-glow up session that I did a facial glow up thing yesterday at night. So I will be showing you guys that also in this video only, so that will be like added element, because whenever there is a festive time we need to glow from within, and that what has helped me to get this flawless look. I did this facial yesterday night. Still in the next morning my face was looking radiant. This product really worked for me. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get going to the video. Hello guys, firstly a happy Diwali to all of you out there. So today I am using this product, which is Herbal Radiance Facial Kit from Mantra Herbal, and this is silicone and paraben free. No artificial colors and fragrance are present in this, and also it is only for $2.99, which is really very affordable. It contains of several steps inside this package, and you can use it how many times ever you want. So this is how my face looks before applying anything on my face. So the first step is deep cleansing milk, and all the procedure is written behind, all the directions are written behind. You can see the consistency is really very flowy. Then I'm applying this on the face. So the directions tell that you have to apply the face and the neck with fingertips in the circular motion, and you have to keep massaging it for some time, and then you have to wipe away with moist cotton pad or muslin cloth. Then rinse with water and then pat dry. So this is what I am doing. So this is how my face look after doing the first step, and you can clearly see the difference after doing first step. Then comes the second step, which is peach and saffron with Himalayan rock salt face scrub. So this is a micro exfoliating face scrub. So I am applying that again, and the direction says that you have to gently apply scrub to wet face, and you have to avoid the eye area. Massage gently in the circular motion. Rinse well with cool water. So this is what I am doing in this clip, and I'm just taking my own time to massage that all over my face because I had dry skin day that day. So yeah, again I have washed my face and I am just pat drying it, and you can see the difference again. It looks very clear and one tone, and I just liked how this product was working for me. Then the next step was facial massage cream. So you can see the consistency, it was really very thick. So again I'm applying this, and direction says that you have to wash face with lukewarm water, and you have to apply this all over your face. Then you have to moist hands with cold water, and then you have to gently massage for 5 minutes using upward and outward strokes, and then leave for few minutes and then remove it with the damp cloth. So as you can see, I am doing in this clip upward direction massage, and you have to keep it for 5 minutes, and then I have washed my face, and I'm doing the same thing in this clip. The next and the second last step is polishing mud pack. It comes with cinnamon, honey and almond. So again I'm applying this. The direction says that you have to apply mud pack to the wet face, or you have to mix it with little water to make it thin paste. I did not use water, I directly applied it. Gently apply on the face and neck and avoid the eye area. Once mask has dried fully, then you can rinse it with the cold water. So this is how my final face looks, and I really liked how it looked. And it also came with sunscreen, but I did not use it because obviously it was night time, and instead I used this aloe vera gel from Mantra Herbal brand again. So I will be doing a full review video on this brand because I have a lot of product to show you guys, and they are really very good except some, but I will be doing a full video on this, and you can clearly see that glow that comes from within after doing a full routine, and this is generally my nighttime skincare routine. I have applied lip balm now, and yeah, this is how my general nighttime skincare routine is. I just apply moisturizer and lip balm. So yeah, this is how my final face looks like. It's really very glowy and it looks very one tone and clean, which is what I needed the most in this Diwali time. So yeah, and also stay tuned for the review video of Mantra Herbal. So now let's start with our makeup. So I have applied nothing to my face. I have just applied a toner to my face. The facial thing I showed you guys that I did yesterday night, and you can see my skin still looks so bright and so glowy, and I just loved that product, and definitely I would buy that product again if I get a chance. Then I will be using this vitamin C skin illuminating face serum. Just will be taking one pump of that, and I will be applying that all over my face, just tabbing it all over my face. So I am using this vitamin C serum under my base since a long time now, like since a month now, and I'm really liking the results of this because you know it gives you that hydration that you need, plus because it contains vitamin C, it gives that glow also from within. So yeah, I'm really liking this product as a moisturizer under your base. Now I will be applying this lip balm. So this is from Mantra Herbals. I will be doing a review, like full on review about these products that I have been liking a lot. So I am not talking a lot about this. Then we will be using the sunscreen because it's a daytime. I will be using this sunscreen. Naito I use this aloe vera gel as base also, and I use this aloe vera gel almost like every time for my skincare routine, especially the nighttime skincare routine. I use this aloe vera gel. Again, this is from Mantra Herbal, so not talking about that much. I will be doing a full review video on that. So guys, can you see that glow that it gives? That is vitamin C serum. I really like how my skincare routine goes, like before doing any makeup. So I really like the skin. Then without fail, we are using today Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer because this is the step I usually forget to do. I don't know why, but I usually do not do this step because my pore issues are all like very less nowadays. Touch wood. My pore issues are really very less. Because of that, you know, the pores are not visible directly when you apply makeup or anything, and so I usually forget to do this. But yeah, today we are doing it. Next thing I'm using is this Fit Me foundation in the shade Sun Beige. You know guys, I like this a lot. I have been using this for a really very long time. And a little bit of strobing cream, again of the Maybelline New York. So I'm using this Amazon brushes. I'm using this Amazon brushes for face, and the eye brushes will be from Club Factory. Can you see how flawlessly these brushes blend your makeup? And the next thing I'm applying is LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So as you can see, my base is done now. So we will be going to our eyes now, and you know, after that we will see how everything goes, how if we have to conceal more, and then we will be applying the powder. So for eyes, I am using this Maybelline Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, sticking to basics as always, taking this color over here to set the concealer on the eyelids. Again, taking the same brush, using the darkest brown shade in this palette, that is this one. This is the darkest brown shade. So again, taking that on the same brush, we'll be applying to the outer corners and a little bit, a very little bit on the crease. I'm not blending it, I'm just tabbing that product, and then once the product is on the place, then you have to start blending that product. And taking a little lighter shade of a brown. Now I have applied this dark brown shade to the outer edge. I will be taking this a little bit of light shade and we will be applying this a little bit towards the inner side, not completely towards the inner side, but little bit towards the inner side. So I'm done with the brown. Then I will be taking this really pretty shimmer shade over here because that will little bit suit to this red color also. So I'm taking this shade which is really very pigmented and really very beautiful, applying that towards my inner corners, the innerest corner. Then we will be applying this eyeliner from Lakme Insta Liner. In the beginning I was really very skeptical about using the eyeliner because I was not knowing that how it looks on my face. Like I knew how it looks on my face, but I didn't know how it will look on the camera. Like will it enhance my eyes or it will make them smaller or anything of that sort. I didn't know, but once I have started applying the eyeliner now on camera, I can really see a difference, and so I am loving applying a eyeliner on the tutorials that I show to you guys. So again today also I will be applying a eyeliner, a small wing eyeliner. Okay, it's becoming difficult to apply this on camera. I will be back. I will be doing my eyeliner off camera and I'll be back. So yeah, I'm done with my eyeliner and I'll be using this kajal from Avon again. So it's almost over. I'll be using this small brush. We'll be taking the kajal on this and we'll be just smoking out. When you smoke out your lower lash line, it automatically looks like, you know, smoky eye. Then again I'll be taking the brown color from here, the light brown color, and we'll be just doing the same thing. Then if you guys can see, you know, after smoking out a little bit, like lower lash line, you can still see a little bit of darkness under the eyes. So for that I kept the powder part afterwards, because after doing the eye you get an idea that how much more concealer you have to put under your eye. So I'll be doing, like I will be putting a really very little amount over here, and most importantly we'll be applying concealer over here. Then I'll be applying this powder which is of Color Bar in the shade Beige Classic. I'm taking this Color Bar blush in Rosy Peach. Then I will be applying a bronzer which is from Sugar and this is in the shade Woody Wonder. Then we will be going to our eyebrows. So again I will be using this eyebrow pencil from Miniso. Then comes our highlighter. So I am using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. The next thing comes is a mascara. So I am using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is in the waterproof variant. So today I am doing my makeup in like all over the place because I have a lot of work to do. Today is 13th of October and I am shooting this video today. I have to edit this today, and tomorrow on the Diwali day I have to post this video for you guys. So yeah, I am, and also we have some Diwali preparations to do yet. So basically I have a lot of work to do. Because of that I am doing like my makeup from not in the order. I am doing my makeup anyhow, to be very precise, but that's okay sometimes. Then comes our lipstick. So today I will be using this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, and I will be using Nykaa lipstick in the shade Bombay. The added element I will be doing on my lips is I will be applying a gloss. So I am applying this Avon gloss. This is how my makeup look turned out to be. I am really liking this look, and also you can see clearly the camera's difference because I am using, for the last clip my phone was not working, so I am using my dad's phone, and you can clearly see the difference in the quality. So anyways, this is how my final look turned out to be. Really liking it, really liking how the base looks. And yeah, so do tell me in the comment section that how you guys liked it. Do tell me that how you will be spending your Diwali this year. And also I was initially thinking of doing like a full head to toe wala thing on this channel, but I already did it on my birthday week. So if you haven't watched it, then the video will be, the link will be in the description box below or on the screen somewhere. So do watch that video also. I did a full blown birthday week. I posted for 7 days back to back. So do watch that video also. I had really fun doing that. And yeah, so I thought no use of doing that thing because you know it's almost the same things, and it was just 2 months ago, so it was almost all the things were same. So I thought no use of doing that. So I thought of doing I had a product with me that I wanted to try, and you know I thought let's use this facial kit and you know give reviews about this kit to you guys. So wo bhi ho jayega, and you know it's Diwali time, so you need that festive glow kind of a thing, and so wo bhi ho jayega. So I thought let's show that to you guys. So I did that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys like this video, and you know the drill. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button beside subscribe button, so every time I'm online you guys will get notified. And yeah, that's it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye.